Hello, I'm Mark Maurer with Tekra Corporation. Tekra has been a gravure coater of polymeric films for more than 25 years. During that time, we've created a number of our own brands of films, such as Marnot hard coats and Durago print receptives. What is less well known is our ability to support custom coating solutions for OEMs. Over the years, we've done work in electronics, display, medical, and graphics. This short video will explain our custom coating solutions from formulation to full-scale production. We hope you find it interesting.
The best way to illustrate Tekra's capabilities to create a custom coating is to walk through the steps of development to production. Tekra product development goes through 3 standard steps: development and formulation, coater trials, and production. Now let's take a look at each step more closely. Whether you require a custom formulation or you can provide your own chemistry for the job, Tekra can rapidly produce coatings designed to meet your precise and often complex needs. It's probably one of Tekra's greatest competitive advantages. We have a team of chemists and engineers who will work closely with you to develop the project criteria. We use a stage gate process to make sure we are meeting the project needs throughout the development process before engaging in the next step. Our chemists are experienced in creating custom coating formulations for either UV, solvent, or water-based coatings. We can evaluate the compatibility of the formulation to ensure it meets the desired specifications. Our chemists have vast experience in nanotechnology. Tekra's lab has full-scale testing capabilities to assure the developmental coating meets the project specifications no matter the requirements. We can test for optical requirements such as haze, coating thickness, and refractive index. Coatings with specific mechanical requirements can be tested for taper, pencil hardness, surface roughness, surface tension, chemical resistance, and actuation life, to name a few, all with in-house capabilities. With our QUV weatherometer and humidity chambers, we can quickly simulate the effects of aging on the coating. Further detailed analysis can be performed with our FTIR spectrometer and atomic force microscope to assure the coating is performing as needed. After we have determined the initial formulation, we create lab drawdowns. We analyze the adhesion of coating to substrate and the laydown characteristics of the coating. This initial test of laying down the coating will quickly determine if we need to make adjustments to the formulation or if we are meeting the requirements and can move on to the next stage, the pilot coater. Once we believe we have the formulation correct, we conduct a coating trial on our lab pilot coater. Our pilot coater can quickly mimic the full-scale production capabilities, which allows our chemists to conduct rapid design of experiments with a quality coated film. It also allows Tekra to produce quality small-scale sample material for customer evaluations before going to the production coaters. Our lab pilot coater can duplicate much of our production capabilities, including gravure coating, corona treatment, and UV curing. It runs rolls of film 4.5 inches wide and requires very little coating, usually between 25 to 100 milliliters. This coater is an excellent step in the process that greatly speeds up the time to get a production-ready coating, while extracting high costs from the process by eliminating the need of experiments on the production coaters. These 2 steps, development and formulation, and coater trials, have been completed in as little as 48 hours with a motivated customer. Our customers have been extremely impressed with Tekra's work in these 2 stages, such that some have hired us just to perform lab services for them. On behalf of the chemists and engineers, we look forward to you challenging us to create the next generation of products.
After a coating has been tested and developed in our laboratory, the final phase of the process falls into the area I'm responsible for, production. We have 2 roll coaters that can run both direct and reverse gravure, and 1 sheet-fed roll coater. Our sheet coater is currently designed to apply our print receptive coatings, such as Durago for HB Indigo printers, so I will spend most of the time talking about our 2 roll coaters. All of our coaters are in a contamination-controlled environment, with 1 roll coater in a Class 10,000 clean room. We can accommodate rolls up to 40 inches in diameter and as wide as 63 inches, with the ability to coat up to 61 to 62 inches wide. Film thicknesses can vary from as thin as half a mil up to 30 mils thick. We have variable process speeds from 200 feet per minute down to 30 feet per minute based on the requirements or functionality of the coating type. The surface of every roll is treated in line prior to coating using either plasma or corona technologies to increase the surface energy of the material to improve adhesion and wet out of the coating. We can lay down coating from as little as 1 micron to 50 microns wet, with more than 40 cylinders of various volumes and cell geometries in stock. The coatings can be thermal, UV, or dual cured. We take seriously our commitment to our environment, and during the curing process we capture 100% of the VOCs produced and exceed the destruction efficiency mandated by the EPA in destroying VOCs with our thermal oxidizer. Both coaters have the ability to laminate in line and at full web width. During the lamination and rewind stage, quality inspections are performed. Additional testing and visual inspection are also done with samples at the end of each roll to ensure we are meeting all product specifications. As you can see, our coating lines are equipped to support a wide range of coating types, which can be applied to a wide range of film substrates. I look forward to helping you with your next custom coating project.
As you've seen, Tekra has broad experience with custom coating and film solutions. We have worked with leading companies to create products with improved functionality or a unique look and feel. Our project customers have described our services as very technically proficient, flexible, and affordable. If your application requires a product not available off the shelf, please contact us. We may be able to help. Thank you for watching.